Raksha Bandhan is all about celebrating the bond between brothers and sisters. Along with tying the Rakhi and exchanging gifts, there's one thing that truly completes the celebration: sweets. So today we're going to show you how to make 3 delicious sweets that are perfect for Rakhi: chocolate Barfi, leftover Mithai Kheer and Besan Ladoo. They're easy, quick and guaranteed to add extra sweetness to your festivities. Let's get started. Our first recipe is everybody's favorite chocolate Barfi. It's rich, nutty and absolutely melt in the mouth. For this, take some Mary biscuits and grind them into a fine powder. Similarly, grind cashews and walnuts into powder and keep them aside. Now in a bowl, take some milk and add cocoa powder. Mix well, making sure there are no lumps. Now add some ghee and combine it thoroughly. Now heat a pan and pour in the mixture. Add condensed milk and mix well until smooth. Now stir in the cashew powder, followed by the biscuit powder. Add walnut powder and a pinch of elaichi powder for aroma. Mix everything well. Now transfer the mixture into a greased container, level it evenly and garnish with chopped dry fruits. Let it set for 2 to 3 hours at room temperature, then cut into pieces. And there you have it, fudgy, nutty and perfect for Rakhi. Festivals always leave us with extra sweets, so why not transform them into something new? Here's a quick leftover Mithai Kheer. For this, heat some milk in a pan. Now add some grated coconut and mix well. Now take any leftover mithai. Here we're using motichur laddu. Break it into pieces and add to the milk. Now stir well and let the flavors blend together. Add half a cup of sugar and mix until it dissolves and sprinkle in some chopped almonds. Let it simmer until it thickens slightly. Garnish with dry fruits and serve warm. This rich and creamy kheer is the easiest way to give leftover sweets a delightful makeover. Now Rakhi celebration is incomplete without besan ladoos. So let's make this classic melt in the mouth ladoos. Heat some ghee in a pan on low flame. Once melted, add besan and roast for 10 to 20 minutes. When the besan turns light brown and aromatic, add cardamom powder and chopped almonds. Mix well and turn off the flame. Now let the mixture cool slightly, then add some sugar and mix until combined. Now take small portions of the mixture and roll them into medium-sized laddus. Place them on a greased plate and let them set. So there you have it, 3 delightful sweets that will make your Raksha Bandhan even more special. Wishing you a day full of sweetness, love and memories. Happy Raksha Bandhan. For more such easy recipes, subscribe.